3 ways to get free credit cards for Discord Nitro. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you want to get free credit cards or virtual credit cards for signing into Discord Nitro, I have got your back. I will show you 3 easy resources or websites that will give you access to virtual credit card. So let's begin. First one is privacy.com. On your Google browser, simply search for privacy.com, and from here you can get your virtual card simply by signing up. You can use this virtual cards for your Discord Nitro. The next website is capital1.com. Simply search for capital1.com, and this is another website from where you can just simply sign in and get a virtual credit card. The third one is cardbenefits.city.com. Simply search for it, and this is another website from where you can get a free credit card service and use it for your Discord Nitro. And for them, you don't even have to connect to your bank account. You simply have to get verified with your email and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more such of videos, then like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.